Hey everyone, Tony G. So in this video we are going to be doing the wrist extensor stretch. In the previous video we did the wrist flexor stretch, which are this flexor mass. These typically can be done for people who work with their hands. They're getting some wrist pain, maybe some elbow pain, either the medial elbow, the lateral elbow. Give both of these stretches a try. See which one works best for you. Okay. Now, however, in this specific video we will be doing the wrist extensor stretch. Okay, now to do this we can start with our hand at the side. We're going to make sure to include the thumb with this. We're going to bring our hand straight down and we're just going to kind of hang out here for 30 seconds. Turn to the side actually so you can see it. Alright, we're just kind of applying gentle pressure. We're not trying to jam or crank our wrist. The wrist is a very, very sensitive area. There's a lot of different bones, so you never want to be forceful when you're stretching. You should just actually passively go into it. You're going to feel a nice gentle tug into the top of the arm, radiating maybe even towards the elbow somewhat. We're going to hold it here onto the side and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay? Now, sorry about that. Brain fog. No, if you want to then do the next level of that. Actually, you know what? For this particular wrist stretch, we'll do 2 on one side and then we'll show level 2 on our left arm, just like I did for the previous video, okay? So, we're going to go again, keeping the elbow at the side, arm nice and relaxed. You never want to hike the shoulder when you're doing this. We're going to just take the wrist, bend it, making sure to include the thumb. Let me see, does this work? That works better, actually. Let me take a seat. You should be relaxed when you're doing this. Alright, push down and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And shake the wrist out. Enjoy the new mobility you just got. Okay? So now let's say you've been doing this for a while and level 1 is pretty easy and you want to advance to the next phase. We're going to go to level 2 stretch. Okay? We're going to do it on our left side. Turn this way. We're going to have our arms straight out, making sure our shoulder is not hiked but nice and relaxed. We're going to take the wrist and we're just going to go straight down. Oh, that feels good. And we're going to hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And we're just going to shake the wrist out. Now there is no set time between sets. However, typically, you can wait about 5 to 10 seconds before you go into the next stretch. You typically want to give the chance for the tissues to recoil after you've done stretch them. So keeping that in mind, you never just want to go stretch to stretch, back to back to back to back to back. You can, but typically you want to give yourself a little break between, okay? And we're going to go one more time, keeping the shoulder down, including the thumb, right, as we do this, and you're going to stretch your hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Shake it out, okay? That, everyone, is the wrist extensor stretch. Give it a try. Let me know how it feels. If this video has helped, please, everyone, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.